So you might be wondering, how do puppies relate to economics?
Yeah.
No, but seriously. Since the beginning of time, dogs have been alongside humans as workers rather than lapdogs. They were breeded to fulfill their unique and different functional roles as were needed in society. If a society or economy shifted and the role was no longer needed, the breed simply ceased to exist.
But now, dogs of all kinds have strengthened our economy in numerous ways. The economics of dogs are based on popularity rather than optimal use. This economic principle is formally referred to as random drift.
Random drift is when individuals, confronted with many different choices, simply copy other individuals rather than make optimal or rational decisions. If the most popular breeds were also the best breeds, that would manifest as an optimal or rational cultural pattern. Random drift is more typical of fashion trends. The American Kennel Club modeled dog breed popularity, as measured by new registrations, over the past 50 years, and found a few exceptions to their rule that supported their fashion hypothesis.
For example, the authors wrote, after the release of the 1985 version of the Disney movie 101 Dalmatians, new Dalmatian registrations increased sixfold, from 6,880 registrations in 1985 to 42,816 registrations in 1993, followed by a dramatic fall to 4,652 registrations 6 years later.
The demand for doggies has indeed increased. The income of a country or individual can correlate to the number of dogs owned. To no surprise, the US continues to maintain the world's largest doggy population in both absolute and per capita terms. That is, one dog for every 3 Americans. But all around the world, dogs are on the rise, and the rapid changes in the extent and nature of ownership reflect new economic realities.
Europe is a dog-friendly place. Countries across the region have more dogs per capita and per square mile than most other parts of the world. Not surprisingly, Europeans pay more to feed their dogs. 8 of the top 10 dog food nations by spending per dog are from the continent. Norway ranks in first place. Norwegians spent the equivalent of $639 a year on food per pup, according to Euromonitor, almost 50% more than the second place Switzerland, buying costlier organic and diet dog chow that can come in meal-sized packs instead of giant sacks, a trend that pet food marketers call premiumization. In this situation, Norway sees dog food as inelastic and is more willing to buy food for the benefit of their pups, no matter if the price is higher. In contrast, Vietnamese spend just 75 cents per dog. In poorer countries, many pets often still live off table scraps, making dog food itself a luxury product. Dog food is therefore either highly elastic or inelastic, depending on the marketplace in each country.
However, with all of this taken into consideration, there is still a question on everyone's mind. If so many of us have dogs and no substitutes compare, why are there dogs in the pound? Sarah, no. That question can be answered simple. Because consumers' expectations of certain dog breeds are in many cases oversupplied by breeders. This imbalance results in an inadequate amount of consumers to care for the overproduction of dog supply. Basically, not enough individuals and families can support the supply of dogs with their incomes and see them more as a luxury rather than a necessity, leaving some dogs for pounds and the streets.
However, due to the popularity of TV shows and movies starring dogs of all kinds, the dog population, along with the economy, is being cared for thanks to viewers like you. Thank you.